looking so good.
Thank you.
Tell me, what have you had done?
Thank you. I had a face and neck lift, and I had an eyelid lift. A little bit of fat transfer and some other things, but yeah, I wanted to get the heaviness sort of out from under my chin. I just was sagging and feeling, like I had rapidly aged over the last few years. So I really just kind of wanted to feel like myself again.
How long did you think about that?
I think probably a total of about 5 or 6 years. I had really, been sort of researching it and looking into it, but I literally woke up one day and I just didn't look like myself anymore. I just looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my gosh, I looked so different to myself. And I thought, maybe I should really consider this. And that's when I really started getting serious about it.
Did people support you?
Not initially. I think, this was really something that I had to make a decision for myself. I think, obviously, anytime you do something to your face, your loved ones are concerned about it. But I really had done my homework, and I knew that with the techniques and everything today that I could look very natural, which is what I wanted. Didn't want anybody to really know. I just wanted to look a little bit younger and like myself again. I just needed to look like myself again. But I talked to my husband and my family, and they supported me at the 11th hour. So
well, that's good. Yeah. Were you scared?
I definitely was nervous. Yeah. I was, nervous about having the surgery, nervous, about what the results would be. But I felt, I guess I came in and I ended up going with Dr. Chaboki because he was no nonsense. He made me feel really comfortable. And I felt like he was really honest with me about what my results were going to be.
Wow.
I didn't feel like I was given some song and dance. I really did feel like, he was legitimately telling me what to expect. And I actually, it exceeded expectations.
That's good. All right. Did it hurt? Was recovery okay?
Recovery was good, yeah. I was definitely in some discomfort for about 7 days. I'm gonna,
a lot of discomfort.
It wasn't as bad as I thought. I literally was expecting like I was going to be a mummy and I wasn't going to be able to talk. And I was swollen. I looked ridiculous. I was not going to be leaving the house, but I definitely, I stayed wrapped, and I took, I had some pain medication, and I'd say a week. A week is where, and then I turned the corner, I would say. After that week, I just really felt.
So you were able to go out and felt okay after a week? Or
no, I'm not going to say that. I'm a baby, so I probably, it took a couple weeks. But for me to just feel like, but I had friends over, we had lunch. I may have gone out after a couple of weeks with a scarf, but yeah, I'm going to say a week of discomfort, honestly, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Oh, good. Yeah. So would you ever do this again?
Absolutely. 100%. 100%. Yeah, it was one of the best decisions, and I just feel like it looks really natural, and I feel like myself. I feel like when I look in the mirror, it's me again.